This is day number 25. Welcome to 5 Luo Words a Day. If you've not been following this series, please go back to day number 1 and run through to day 25. In today's series, we talk about agoro. Agoro. These are edible flying ants. Agoro. Agoro. Koth okelo agoro. Koth okelo agoro. Agoro. The second word of the day, agoro. 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 So that's a victory chant you make when you're carrying a spear, especially in a ceremony. You can run while shouting, agoro. Agoro. Then the third word is agot. 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 Agot are white ant grubs that are fed to chicken. I think you find them with the ants. Agot. Agot. Our fourth word of the day is agot. Agot. Agot is a grass layer fixed on the lower edge of the roof before thatching begins. It's just a small layer that is fixed on the roof. It's called agot. Agot. And our last word of the day is agulu. 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 If you have many, you say agulni. Agulni. If it is someone's agulu, then you say aguch. Aguch. For example, aguch gi onyango ema kano pi mang'ich. Aguch gi onyango ema kano pi mang'ich. So that is an earthen pot. Aguch gi onyango ema kano pi mang'ich. I hope you enjoyed the videos and the series. Please share this video to your friends, and a thumbs up would really appreciate our efforts. Bye bye, and see you tomorrow on day number 26.